How to skillfully make flash and natural lighting look great together. In this video, we will show you how to mix a flash and natural lighting in a beautiful antique setting. This time, we shot at the Paseo Nuevo Nagareyama studio. Isn't it such a lovely studio? First, let's shoot using only the natural light from the window. It's a northern-facing window with evening light, so the light that enters the window is dark, making the photo underlit. Of course, we can brighten it using the exposure, but the shutter speed will lessen and we'll have to increase the ISO, so we try shooting using a flash. This time, we use the Godox parabolic softbox. First, we aim directly at the softbox. This makes the flash look deliberate and artificial. It doesn't match our lovely antique setting. Next, we aim directly from an angle. And this creates some dimension, but since the softbox is being hit from afar, the light is hard and there are strong shadows on the wall. This kind of lighting also doesn't match the antique studio's vibes. We try bouncing the light from behind the camera to make the light softer. The light is softer, but it's spread too much and the whole thing looks too bright. If the whole picture is too bright, it will look flat and not charming at all. Lastly, we bring the softbox to the outside of the window and aim the flash towards the outside of the window. The dark light from the window becomes brighter with the flash. The light is also diffused by the curtain and soft light hits the subject. The light from the window and the light from the flash match and it looks very natural, matching the vibes of the antique set. You can make a subject look even more charming by matching the light qualities and direction of both the natural and flash lights.